Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about 12th standard second unit supplementary. So the supplementary title Life of P. So Life of P. The Life of B, it's a famous supplementary and also published international bookseller. This is the writer, the Jan Martel. So now the Jan Martel, born in 1963 to Canadian parents while living in Spain. The first publishing the facts behind the Helsinki Rocamachios, a collection of short stories. Writing career took off with Life of P. The writing career took off with Life of P. Won the Booker Prize, awarded the best English language novel written by a Commonwealth of Irish writer, translated into 30 languages, screen rights purchased by the writers Jan Martel. So now we discuss about the story, the Life of P. The list of the characters P, that means PI. PI means Pislin Molitor Pater. The first character, Pislin Molitor Pater, he is the protagonist of the story. Second character, Richard Parker. So Richard Parker is a Royal Bengal tiger. See the tiger, Royal Bengal tiger. Richard Parker. The Franchel, that is the character of elder man. Next character, name Ravi. He is the older brother, P's older brother. Next, Satish Patel. Satish Patel, P's father name. Next, Geeta Patel. Geeta Patel's P's mother name. Sadish Kumar. Sadish Kumar is a P's biology teacher. So now goes to the first, the introduction of the story. Be great. How to be great a man. How to deal with the situation. That despite those feelings, we all have to some point in our lives that is nothing is good and not will ever be a good again. There is always something to be grateful for. So how to handle the situations. The next, don't give up. So don't give up. That means the situation, how to give to others, how to handle their or them. The Life of P is a story of perseverance and a story of not giving up. So even in the hardest of conditions, P didn't give up hope and he kept moving. So some situation we can't move anywhere. So sometimes we don't expect any movements and any persons. We don't expect any act also. So similarly for an entrepreneur, it is important to remember that the darkest days are not going to last. It's important not to give up on your dreams and give up on life. Keep moving. So situation is very serious. We can't move anywhere. So when P reached the mysterious floating island, so the characters are going to, that means don't move anywhere. So that type of situations handle the P. So when P reached the mysterious floating island, it seemed like he was reached on oars of life with abundant food, water and shelters. There is no food, no water, no shelter facilities also. That is find out some materials. There is a very low food and water and shelters. So there is kept and follow there. but he didn't settle for something average as he believed there could something much better available. In business, it's important to keep moving and not be satisfied with temporary success. So, according to the situation, we can't move anywhere. There is no food, no water, no shelters. So, how to handle that? So, it's important to keep an eye on the final destinations. So, learn to coexist. So, that type of situations, we don't expect the opposite side. There is also move some act. So, what is that? After the whale, so moving the sea, after the whale incident, he decided to start staying with the tiger on the boat. So P don't expect the tiger. There is, find out on boat, there is traveling, but tiger on the boat, and also set out marking their territories and setting some rules. He started developing a bond with him. Mr. Parker, that means Richard Parker, that's the tiger name. The Royal Tiger, Bengal tiger name, Richard Parker, is both a co-founder and a competitor for P in his entrepreneurial journey. So the journey is also now serious, but an entrepreneur needs to coexist with both co-founders and with competition in the market. So now don't put all your eggs in one basket. So the situation is very serious, and the traveling also. When we found Richard Parker on the lifeboat, he got scared and threw all the supplies in the lifeboat to a raft and tired. So the traveling time also we can't say. So the raft and tired. So it took the lifeboat and decided to shift to the raft. So but a whale appeared one night and upturned P's raft, throwing all his supplies to the water, and then he realized living with Mr. Parker. So there is one support, but there is no fear. So there is one support to P. So one on the boat may be a better options. So while starting up, resources are few and it's important to save them. It's good to have one secure base and address the market. So without traveling, we think about there is no person, but now there is one person is one, what is that? One additional, that means Richard Parker. Planning is important. So pre-planned. So when Pi was thrown into the sea on the lifeboat with limited stock of resources, so there is resources also very low. So he found a handbook to help him plan for the time on the lifeboat. If you are the entrepreneur, think of the handbook as your business plan. It's important to keep it handy and work according to the plan, and of course keep referring to it when you are in doubt, and monitor progress as you go along. So branding is the first step towards success. So now handle the situations with Richard Parker. So P. Patel was born with the name, full name Pisina Molitor Patel, so of which everyone started making fun. He worked hard on a rebranding exercise. He decided to remember the value of P expressed in several hundred decimal places to tell that his name is derived from the Greek letter. So if you have to work on creating a new brand name of changing your existing brand name for that matter, and work on telling a good story which captures the imagination of the audience. The story makes brand name stick. So that is the picture, the brand name stick. There is also the pi formula, that is the max symbol, that is the brand. So life of P, the lessons life of P teaches, that is the one, this is what is that, perfect lesson for others. Life of P, the Booker Prize winning book by Jan Martel, is the author, is now showing a movie in theaters. Not only it has scored high on the box office meter, but has given the viewers something to take back home about life, up and downs, and how to handle them bravely. The captivating story of the P magical journey on a lifeboat with a Royal Bengal tiger teaches about faith and oneself and it gone. The journey is very similar to the journey of the entrepreneur. There is a lifeboat and raft, a tiger, the unwanted venture capitalist, an angle investor. The sea, the market, ships, commercial success. There is also time, the factors that we cannot control, therefore should stop worrying about. There is enough worry on matters that we can sort out. Let us look at some of the lessons the movies teaches the entrepreneurs. So this is the life of P. So you don't understand about the overall the stories. I will explain through Tamil versions after the slide. So now everything is finished through supplementary. So thank you. Thanks to all.